Hey there! In this video, we're taking a look at the AI Video Generator, a tool that turns your ideas into short visual stories using either text or images. There are two main ways to get started. With text to video, you simply describe what you want to see, and the generator turns it into a complete scene. With image to video, you upload your own picture, and the generator turns it into a short cinematic video. After uploading, you'll either get 3 suggestions for how the image could be animated, or you can write your own prompt to guide the style and motion of the final video. Now, let's look at your options. If you want the most advanced results, turn on Hollywood mode. This creates an 8-second cinematic video with professional sound effects, voice acting, and high-definition visuals.
We are tired of war, so we are building a snowman.
It's great for storytelling, trailers, or anything that needs a more polished touch. If you leave Hollywood mode off, you'll be generating standard videos. Pro users get 25 seconds worth of standard generation included each month. After that, it's pay per second. For standard videos, you can choose the duration, either 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on what you need. Then, select your video shape. You can go with portrait for vertical format, landscape for widescreen, or square, depending on where and how you plan to use the final video. You can also leave it on auto, and it will automatically choose the best layout. Once you've set everything up, click Generate Video, then just give it a moment, and your video will be ready. Whether you're creating short stories, concept visuals, promos, or just experimenting, the video generator helps you bring your ideas to life in a whole new way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.